And just to go back to something you asked me earlier, what truly upset me about the case that was assigned to me, and in fact, I don't know if I said it earlier, but I think my memory is jogging a bit now. The confession statement, or the alleged confession, what was being confessed to, was in direct opposition to what the witnesses claimed happened. So the case itself was not in tune or in line with the confession. That alone. And this is the case that, well, to the Privy Council decision, they did enter a nollie. They did hear me at that point. But I'm
Right.
saying all of this is what stirred it up inside of me to do something. If I'm confessing, my confession should at least accord with what your witnesses are saying.
Exactly.
And it didn't. I mean, at all. So, yeah. I glad I remembered that. It's been some time. I have to jog my memory.
Right.
Yeah, I
No.
mean, I could smile now, but I know then it was one of the most startling things for me, especially as a young attorney, to see that that could happen.